Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear breakfast lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Preparing peanut butter bread becomes easier when the right ingredients and serving quantities are already planned. That's where the peanut butter bread recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Peanut butter bread is a quick, energy-rich breakfast or snack made with simple ingredients like bread and peanut butter. Ready within minutes, it's a convenient choice for students, fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, and anyone looking for an easy meal option. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation and cooking times, diet type, difficulty, calories, and the cooking method. You'll also find cooking notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, protein, carbohydrates, and fat per serving. Add optional ingredients like honey, banana, chia seeds, or butter to create different flavors and textures based on your preference. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities according to the number of persons you've selected. Right beside it, the preparation steps guide you through the complete process from preparing the bread until serving. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, take fresh bread slices and lightly toast them if you prefer a toasted version. Spread peanut butter evenly over each slice, then add honey, banana slices, or chia seeds if you've selected them. You can close it with another bread slice or keep it open for a simple open toast style. Cut it into halves and serve immediately. For a healthier variation, use whole wheat bread, as recommended in the cooking note. Different toppings can make it sweet, crunchy, or fruity. It's also commonly enjoyed in school lunch boxes and fitness diets for its combination of energy, protein, and healthy fats. Accurate measurements and simple preparation make homemade peanut butter bread an easy and satisfying choice for any serving size. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.